So good evening, welcome back to maths class. We are completed one chapter in 2A, one chapter in 2B. ఒక చాప్టర్ 2A చాప్టర్ కంప్లీట్ చేసాం, ఒక చాప్టర్ 2B చాప్టర్ కంప్లీట్ చేసాం నాన్న. సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ద అనదర్ ఈజీ చాప్టర్ ఇన్ ద 2B. వెరీ ఈజీ చాప్టర్. ఈజీగా ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ మనం చెప్పేసుకుంటే ఈజీగా మనకు 7 మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. So today we are discussing the chapter differential equations. In this differential equations, from this chapter we can get one 2 marks question, one 4 marks question, one 7 marks question. 13 marks from this chapter for the Telangana Board of Intermediate. So very easy topic. First we discuss what is a differential equation. What is the differential equation? So here it is, what is a differential equation means? An equation involving with one independent variable, comma one dependent variable, and derivatives of independent variable with respect to dependent variable, derivatives of dependent variable with respect to the independent variable is called the ordinary differential equation. This is called the ODE. Ordinary differential equation. Compulsory one dependent variable, one independent variable, and derivatives of dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. Nana, sir, we are calling the ordinary differential equation. There is any other value. We having another one, partial differential equation, but it is not in our syllabus. Just here the change. It is dependent variables, only one dependent variable and one or more independent variables. And only one dependent variable. So first we'll discuss what is the dependent variable and what is the independent variable. So if you taken the function, let y is equals to example, what is a dependent and what is a independent I am explaining. Y is equals to 2x square plus 3x plus 2. This y is called the dependent variable and 2x square x is called the independent variable. ఎందుకంటే నాన్న x వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేసే కొద్దీ y వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి, కానీ y వాల్యూ డైరెక్ట్గా రాదు. మనకు y వాల్యూ కావాలంటే x వాల్యూ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉండాలి. సో మనం ఇప్పుడున్న మన స్టూడెంట్స్గా ఉన్నాం, మనం ఖర్చు పెట్టాలంటే మన నాన్న వాళ్ళు సంపాదిస్తేనే మనం ఖర్చు పెట్టగలుగుతాం, అంతేగాని మనం సంపాదించే వాళ్ళ నాన్న వాళ్ళు సంపాదించేది మనం ఖర్చు పెట్టలేం. సో మనము వీఆర్ డిపెండెంట్ ఆన్ అవర్ పేరెంట్స్. First we are dependent on our parents. Parents are independent. So ikkada y is dependent on x. So here we having the only one independent variable and one dependent variable. So we having the another function z is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy 2x plus 3y plus 5. Z is equals to x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 5. Now Z is depending on x and y values, both the values, x and y values, both the values. So here ఇది ఏమవుతుందని అంటే z వాల్యూ రావాలంటే x వాల్యూ కావాలి, y వాల్యూ కావాలి. So Z is depends on x and y both the values. So here it is z is the dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. It is one or more independent variables. Now example for ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. Example for ordinary differential equation. It is x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to y square. It is one example, d cube d square y by dx square plus 2x into dy by dx plus x into y is equals to 0. So this type of problems, these are the ordinary differential equations. Now in this chapter, what is how many types of, we are finding the solutions of different types of differential solutions of different types of differential equations. In this intermediate syllabus, we will go for only one order and or degree. So first order means, it is also important for the 2 marks question. Order or the number of times of differentiation, the highest times of it is a direct value, the highest times of differentiation, the highest times of differentiation in an equation in an ordinary differential equation is called order. In ordinary differential equation, it is called the order. So here it is. Now what is the order? Degree, once again directly we are going for the degree also. Degree means the highest power of highest order the highest power of highest order of in an ordinary differential equation in an ODE is called degree. మెథడ్ మనకు డెఫినేషన్స్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి, కానీ గుర్తుగా మనకు డైరెక్ట్గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడం కోసం ఈ క్వశ్చన్ని మనం చేస్తున్నాం. సో హియర్ ద క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ఆర్డర్ అండ్ degree of what is the equation here? D cube y by dx cube whole square plus 3 into dy by dx whole square minus e power x is equals to 4. Find the order and degree of this differential equation. So this differential equation here, the solution, given equation, first we have to write given equation d cube y by dx cube whole square plus 3 into dy by dx whole square minus e power x is equals to 4. So this is 3 times of differentiation this is 1 time of differentiation, so this is the order. So order is equals to 3. The highest power degree is equals to 2. The highest power degree is equals to 2 nana. So the highest power degree is equals to 2 here. Now the solutions of the types of first order and first degree differential equations. First order, first degree differential equations. So we having the 4 types of first one is variable solutions nana here. 1 minute. Methods of solving first order and first degree differential equations. నేను ఇంతకుముందు చెప్తూ మధ్యలో ఆర్డర్ అండ్ డిగ్రీ కలిపాం. ఏనానంటే in this intermediate syllabus we discuss only first order and first degree differential equations. After the intermediate we are going for the either degree or BTech. We'll get the one total syllabus, one total subject on this differential equations nana. So in that we can go for the different orders, different degrees will go for the problems there. Akkada second degree, third degree, fifth degree ala akkada varaku manam vellipothune untam, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇది రాకపోతే మాత్రం అది రాదు. సో కాబట్టి కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. సో ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ వేరియబుల్ and separable method. So the 4 marks question comes from this method. Second, homogeneous method. Third, non-homogeneous method. Fourth, linear differential equations. Linear differential equations. Linear differential equations. So here it is. First, we'll discuss about linear differential equation. లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అన్న, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ చాప్టర్లో లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేది మనకు లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ మెథడ్ ఓన్లీ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ చాప్టర్. సో this is a most important method. So we'll discuss about linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. We are going for the linear differential equation. So what is a linear differential equation? Means an equation in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. An equation in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x is called the linear differential equation. Linear differential equation in y. Linear differential equation in y, where p of x comma q of x are functions of x, where p of x comma q of x are functions of x. So here we have the solution. Here to find out the solution, one value we are required. Here that to find out the solution, one value required. This is the integrating factor. Integrating factor. What is the integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx. Integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx. So why it is useful means to find out the solution, it is useful for the integration of e power integral p of x dx. So this is called the integrating factor. Then solution కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే ఇది ఈ వాల్యూ మనకు కంపల్సరీ అవసరం. సో కాబట్టి ఆ వాల్యూని మనం ఏమంటాం అంటే ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. So how we have to find out the solution means multiply this solution of linear differential equation LDE, multiply with e power integral p of x dx. Then it is multiplying here what is e power integral p of x dx into dy by dx plus p of x into y into e power integral p of x dx is equals to q of x into e power integral p of x dx. Then if you observe, if you taken this is u, this is v, differentiation in the first year, y constant, differentiation of the second one, e power x differentiation is e power x only, and integration of this differentiation, again if you differentiation we can get the p of x, differentiation integration will be cancelled, plus differentiation of u and v is the same. So this value we have to write d by dx of y into e power integral p of x dx is equals to q of x into e power integral p of x dx. Then integrating on both sides, this differentiation integral of d by dx of y into e power integral p of x dx is equals to integral q of x into e power integral p of x dx. So then this differentiation integration will be cancelled. So here we can get this value here, y into e power integral p of x dx is equals to integral q of x into e power integral p of x dx into dx plus constant c. So this solution can be written as y into integrating factor is if is equals to integral q of x into if dx plus constant c. సార్ మరి సొల్యూషన్ చేయడానికి ఇదంతా చేయాలా? అవసరం లేదు. జస్ట్ మీకు సొల్యూషన్ ఎలా వచ్చిందని చెప్పడానికి టోటల్గా ప్రూఫ్ చేస్తాను. సో ద సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x is y into if is equals to integral q of x into if dx plus constant c, where if is equals to in e power integral p of x dx. E power integral p of x dx. Okay, so this is the most important compulsory long answer question. Just if you given the equation, we have convert into this method, and then directly we have tried the solution. Y into if is equals to integral q of x into if dx plus constant c. Okay, we'll go for the problems on this. So first problem, solve one plus x square into dy by dx plus 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy minus 4x square is equals to 0. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy minus 4x square is equals to 0. We have to find out the solution for this equation. First, we have tried the given equation, Nana. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy minus 4x square is equals to 0. So how to know it is linear differential equation or not? First, we have to convert this one into the linear differential equation. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to 4x square. So first here I am writing that linear differential equation. What is this one means? Dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. This is the linear differential equation. Now we have converted this value into this form. So this is dividing with 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y is equals to 4x square by 1 plus x square. 4x square by 1 plus x square. Comparing with this one, here p of x is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square, comma q of x is equals to 4x square by 1 plus x square. 4x square by 1 plus x square. Now, first we have to find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power. First, before that, first we have to find out the integral of p of x dx. Integral of p of x means p of x value is 2x by 1 plus x square dx. If you observe this, 1 differentiation 0, x square differentiation is 2x. So we have the one formula in the integration. What is the formula means? Integral of f dash of x by f of x dx. Integral of f dash of x by f of x dx. This formula is log mod f of x value plus log of f of x. Log of f of x. This is a formula here. By this formula, integration of p of x dx is equals to p of x dx is equals to log of 1 plus x square. Log of 1 plus x square. So now integrating factor e power integral p of x dx. This is equals to e power log of 1 plus x square. So here it is also we have the another formula. What is e power or a power anything e power log x base e is equals to x. So this integrating factor is if is equals to only 1 plus x square. So the solution is y into if is equals to integral q of x into if dx plus constant c. C means integral constant c, nana. So substitution in this one, y into if is 1 plus x square. Integral of q of x is, what is this one? Q of x is 4x square by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square dx plus constant c. So this 1 plus x square, this 1 plus x square will be cancelled. So here this y into 1 plus x square is equals to 4x square dx plus constant c. So this is a y into 1 plus x square is equals to 4 is outside integral of x square dx plus integral constant c. Here also we have to use the one formula. What is integral of x power n dx is equals to x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. So by this formula here, y into 1 plus x square is equals to 4 into x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus constant c, plus constant c. So here it is, this is y into 1 plus x square is equals to 4x cube by 3 plus constant c. So this is the solution of given differential equation. This is a solution of given differential equation. Okay. So now we'll go for the another problem. Second problem, solve dy by dx plus y tan x is equals to cos cube x. dy by dx plus y tan x is equals to cos cube x. So now the solution here, given equation, given dy by dx plus y into tan x is equals to cos cube x. It is in a form of, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. So here it is, what is the p of x value? Here p of x is this tan x, q of x is this cos cube x, this cos cube x, q of x is the this cos cube x. So here it is, first integral p of x dx, integral tan x dx. So direct formula, integral p of x dx is integration formula, integral tan x is log of secant x, integration formula log of secant x. So this formula is log of secant x. Now if you go for the integrating factor, IF is e power integral p of x dx. So e power log of secant x. Before problem only we are using the formula. So this IF is equals to secant x. Solution is Solution is one minute. మొత్తం పోయింది సార్ 1 minute. దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయాలా? రైట్. సార్ ఇది ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్. A integrating factor is secant x, Nana. So solution is one minute. క్లోజ్ అయింది మొత్తం. ఎందుకు క్లోజ్ చేద్దామా? Sorry for the technical issue. Sorry for the disturbance. So we'll continue. So here we have found the integral integrating factor secant x. Now we are going for the solution of this one. What is the solution is? Solution is y into if is equals to integral q of x into if dx plus constant c. So now the substitution in this one, y into if means y into secant x is equals to integral cos cube x into secant x dx plus constant c. This y into secant x is equals to integral cos cube x into this secant x can be written as 1 by cos x dx plus integral constant c. This 1 power is cancelled. This value will get cos square x here. So this is y into secant x is equals to integral cos square x dx plus constant c. So here it is y into secant x is equals to integration of cos square x is also can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx plus constant c. This is a formula of trigonometry by using the 2 cos square theta formula. So we are getting the cos square x formula value is equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So this value here y into secant x is equals to 1 by 2 is outside. This is integration of dx plus integral of cos 2x dx plus integral constant c. This integral dx is x plus integration of cos ax. What is the integration of cos ax formula is integral of sin ax by a, sin ax by a. So cos 2x formula here it is sin 2x by 2 plus constant c, plus constant c. So this is a solution of this differential equation. So here it is. Now we'll go for the another question. One plus x square. Third question. 1 plus x square into dy by dx. Solve 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus y is equals to e power tan inverse x. E power tan inverse x. So here it is. Solution. Given equation 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus y is equals to e power tan inverse x. Compulsory, here it is compulsory, we have to convert that coefficient of dy by dx is 1. dy by dx coefficient ni 1 ga conversion cheyali nana, ante endukante linear differential equation lo dy by dx coefficient 1 e undi kabatti dy by dx coefficient 1 ga conversion cheyali. So for that, dividing with the 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 1 by 1 plus x square into y is equals to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Similar of before two problems, here it is p of x is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square, q of x is equals to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. P of x is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square and q of x is equals to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. First, integral of p of x dx is equals to integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. This implies integral of p of x dx is equals to tan inverse x. Direct formula nana, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square formula is tan inverse x. So this integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx formula is tan inverse x. Now if you are writing the integrating factor, e power integral p of x dx, so this is becomes e power tan inverse x, e power tan inverse x. So the solution is the solution is y into if is equals to integral q of x into if dx plus constant c. So, substitution of the values y into if means e power tan inverse x is equals to integral e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into e power tan inverse x dx plus constant c. E power x into e power x formula, e power x into e power x is equals to e power 2x, e power 2x. So, this is y into e power tan inverse x is equals to integral e power 2 tan inverse x into this value is also dx by 1 plus x square plus constant c. To find out the solution, here, let tan inverse x is equals to t. So that differentiation is becomes tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square, integration is reverse. So this is the tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square and x differentiation is dx is equals to dt. This implies dx by 1 plus x square is becomes as dt nana. So this total equation is becomes y into e power tan inverse x is equals to integral e power 2t dt plus constant c. Here we having the another formula, integration of e power ax dx is equals to e power ax by a. So this is the equation, e power 2t integration is y into e power tan inverse x is equals to e power 2 tan inverse x, 2t e power 2t by 2 plus constant c. In a place of t, we have to substitution of the tan inverse x. So, therefore, y into e power tan inverse x is equals to e power 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus constant c. So, this is the solution of the given differential equations. So, in the similar problems, we will give the another 2-3 problems. So, these are the solved by yourself. dy by dx plus 2y by x is equals to 2x square. And next another problem, dy by dx plus 4xy by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. Similar problems, Nana. This is cos x into dy by dx plus y into sin x is equals to secant square x. So these are the, and the last problem here, x log x into dy by dx plus y is equals to 2 log x. So these are the another important problems in the differential equations. These are the another 4 important problems, 4 long answers, important problems. Okay, Rana? Tomorrow we'll go for the another chapter in the 2A. Okay? Tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you.